This is Pawan Jain. Today I will explain you some problems based on graphical method. Okay, for class 10 CBSE. I have started in the previous video linear equations in two variables. So today I will take some problems based on it. The first question is, suppose x plus y is equal to 10 and y minus x is equal to 4. Okay, solve this equation graphically. Okay. So first of all, we make the solutions, three solutions of each equation. Okay, so make subject x or y is equal to 10 minus x. Now take three solutions. Take any three solutions. Actually these equations have many infinite solutions, so we can take any three solutions which are suitable for plotting the graph. Okay, so छोटे छोटे numbers लेते हैं हम. तो take x is equal to 5, then y is equal to 10 minus 5. So y is equal to 5. Take x is equal to 6. Then y is equal to 10 minus 6, 4. And then take x is equal to 4. Then y is equal to 10 minus 4, 6. Okay, these are three solutions. Actually three solutions होने चाहिए मिनिमम. तो उससे हमको पता चलेगा कि लाइन स्ट्रेट आ रही है या नहीं है. लीनियर इक्वेशन में हमेशा लाइन कैसी आती है, ग्राफ कैसा आता है, स्ट्रेट लाइन आता है हमेशा. ओके, नाउ फ्रॉम दिस इक्वेशन y is equal to 4 plus x, make three solutions of this also. Take x 0, then y is equal to 4 plus 0, 4. Take x equal to 1, so 4 plus 1, 5. And take minus 1, so y is equal to 4 minus 1, 3. Okay, so first of all make three solutions. Okay, now plotting these solutions in the graph. So suppose this is x-axis and this is y-axis. ग्राफ पर आप प्लॉट करेंगे तो एक्यूरेट आएगा. यहाँ बोर्ड पर एक्यूरेट तो नहीं आएगा, लेकिन मेथड समझ में आ जाएगा आपको. दिस इज x डैश एंड y डैश. दिस इज जीरो ओरिजिन. 1 2 3 4 5 सफिशिएंट है. 5 से 6 भी है तो 6 तो ले लेते हैं. Here -1 -2 -3 -4 -5. 1 2 3 4 5 6. -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 and -6. Here take also. Okay, now plot these points from first equation. तो x and y 5 5. First point is 5 5. तो x पर 5 और y पर 5 इसी लाइन में ऊपर y के अपोजिट. दिस इज 5 5. ओके, दिस इज 5 and this also 5. 6 4. 6 x axis and y is 4, so this is 4 and 4 6. X 4 and y 6. 6 means this point. Okay, now join these points. ये पॉइंट्स आप ज्वाइन करेंगे तो उस तरह की लाइन आपकी आएगी. ओके, now plot points of this second equation. 0 4 0 4, this is 0 4 1 5 1 5, this is 1 5 point, and minus 1 3, minus 1 and 3, this is minus 1 and 3. Now join these points. Okay, now these two lines intersecting at this point. Okay, so solution is at this point. X is 3 and y is 7. So solution of this equation is x is equal to 4. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 7. This is the solution of this equation. It is unique solution. So it has values of x and y. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 7. So this is first type question, unique solution. एंड सेकंड टाइप लेता हूं मैं नो सॉल्यूशन का एक क्वेश्चन लेता हूं, उसके बाद इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशन का और एक स्पेशल टाइप ट्रायंगल फॉर्मेशन का. ओके, सो सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज solve the following equations. 2x plus 4y is equal to 10 and 3x plus 6y is equal to 12. ओके, पहले इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं. कॉमन है दोनों इक्वेशन में, इसमें कॉमन 2 है तो 2 कॉमन लेंगे तो दिस बिकम्स x plus 2y is equal to 10 and x plus 2y is equal to 10 upon 2 meaning 5. This is the first equation. Take 3 common in this equation. X plus 2y is equal to 12. So x plus 2y is equal to 12 upon 3, 4. This is second equation. Now make 3 solutions. From this equation we get x is equal to 5 minus 2y. Okay, now take value of y, any value, take y 0. So x is 5 minus 0, 5. Take y 1. So 5 minus 2 into 1, 2. 5 minus 2, 3. Take y equal to 2. 2 to the 4. 5 minus 4, 1. Okay, 3 solutions from this equation also. X, y. From here x is equal to 4 minus 2y. So take y 0 first. X is equal to 4. Y 1. Then 4 minus 2 into 1. 4 minus 2. 2. And take y 2. 2 to the 4. 4 minus 4. 0. Okay. कोशिश करिए कि छोटी से छोटी वैल्यू लें ताकि हमको ग्राफ बनाने में आसानी रहे. Okay. Now plotting these points on the graph. X dash, y dash, 0 1 2 3 4 and 5, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 and minus 5. ओके, अब प्लॉट करिए. ये पॉइंट्स प्लॉट करना है आपको. 5 0 5 0 5x and y 0. so this is the point 5 0 3 1 3x पर y पर 1. this is the point 1 2 x पर 1 और y पर 2. so this is the point. Okay, now join these points. We got this line. Okay, now plot these points. 4 0. This is 4 0 2 1 2 और 1, दिस इज द पॉइंट 2 1 and 0 2 0 2, this is the point 0 2. So join these points. Yes, these lines are parallel. These lines are parallel. That's so these lines have no solution. Okay. Now next question is, draw the graph of equations. These two equations are given. Determine the coordinate of vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis. Also find the area of the triangle. So these two lines are given. So first of all, make subject x or y. So x is equal to y minus 1. Take 3 solutions. X and y. Take y 0, x is minus 1. Take y 1, so x is 0, and take y is equal to 2, so x is 2 minus 1, 1. From here, 2y is equal to 12 minus 3x, so y is equal to 12 minus 3x upon 2. Make 3 solutions of this line also, x and y. Take x 0, so this is 0, 12 minus 0, 12 upon 2, 6. Take x is equal to 3 or 4, take 4, so 4 here 12, 12 minus 12 upon 0, 0 upon 2, 0. And take 3, 4, 5, 2. So 12 minus 3 into 2, 6, 12 minus 6, 6, 6 upon 2, 3. Okay, so these are the points. Now plotting on the graph. X dash, y dash, points 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Minus 1, 1, 2, okay. Now plot the points minus 1 comma 0. So this is the point minus 1 comma 0, 0 comma 1, 0 comma 1. This is the point 1 2, x per 1, y per 2. This is the point. Okay. So join these points. We get this line. Okay. Again next point 0 comma 6, 0 comma 6, 4 0, 4 comma 0 and 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3 is this point. Okay, join these points. So these are the equations. Okay, now we have to find vertices of triangle formed by these lines and x-axis. तो इन लाइन और x-axis के थ्रू कौन सा ट्राइंगल बन रहा है? दिस इज द ट्राइंगल. Okay, this is triangle. Suppose A, B, C. You have to tell vertices. So vertices of A. Vertices of A. A के पॉइंट क्या होंगे? 2, ऑलमोस्ट 2. एक्चुअली जब आप ग्राफ ड्रॉ करेंगे तो एक्यूरेट आएगा. यहाँ एक्यूरेट आने के चांसेस कम है क्योंकि बोर्ड पर ये इक्वल इंटरवल नहीं ले सकते. सो x is 2 and y is almost 3. So point of A is 2 3 and B, these are the points of B, -1 comma 0 and C 4 comma 0. So these are the vertices of triangle. Also find the area of triangle formed. So area होता है आपका half into base into height. सो एरिया इज इक्वल टू हाफ, बेस कितना है आपका, यहां से आता है यहाँ तक काउंट करिए पॉइंट्स 1 2 3 4 5 यूनिट्स इनटू हाइट, दिस इज द हाइट 3, सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 15/2 इन 7.5 स्क्वायर यूनिट। ओके, तो ये क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट हुआ। ओके, नेक्स्ट वीडियो I will take next method, that is substitution method. Okay, thank you.